Hi guys! It's me back with another video. Of course it's me. So today we're going to be playing Bloxblurg, and while we're playing Bloxblurg, I'm going to be doing a lot of building mode and making my house a bit better. Make sure to subscribe, smash that like button. You can even kick it if you want to, or punch it. And if you want a shout out, just put my notifications on and comment when you're done, and then you get a shout out in our next video. And I'm gonna be posting every Sunday. So you better stay tuned for every single day. And comment down below what I can do like next time I do a video. Like comment what I should do for the next video on Roblox. What game should I play? I should play. I barely go to the beat nightclub in this game. Like, maybe later I can just like treat myself to something. Because I smell in this game. Like, you know, because bills are low. Okay, I'm going to work so much these days, okay? Right. So, yeah. Really wanted my friend to come, so I'm going to shout out to my friend Hound Dog Crew Chase. Go subscribe and like and view a lot of their videos, or his same thing, right? No, it's not. So let's carry on what I'm doing. Yeah. When I get I need a lot of money for this game. I've wasted all my Robux. I literally. I'm going to party. I'm going to see. I probably didn't get that much money because I only delivered like 2 pizzas. Actually, I only delivered 1. So yes, I only delivered 1 or 2, 3, 4. But I got a lot of money for it. The guy, he has no electricity. I'm gonna write, how is this a party? How is this a party? So I just wrote, how is this a party? Because literally, how is it a party? Like, you invited a lot of people for a party, but actually all you've invited me to, is, something so boring. Like, I need, to have a shower. I literally just gotta go for parties, for, showers and stuff. He is, is he serious? I think he's trying to ban me, I swear. Who does this, bro? This guy thinks oh my god. Guys, this is so funny. So ding dong ditch, ding dong merrily on high, bruv, what are you doing? Ding dong. I want to break this door for him. he does not know, like, oh my god. Guys, I just remembered I need to go to work now, because if I didn't go to work, delivery person, I get more money, money. Yeah, like, I didn't go to school the last week because I was, like, a little ill. So if I cough a lot, don't mind me. That looks like him, but I know he was, like, weak boy or whatever. Like, bruh. So he only got one person to his party. That was me. It was not a party. It was not a party. His house was, like, literally right there. That is not a party. That's not a party. That is not a party. That was not a party. Like, literally. So, lately I've been spending my days in Bloxblurg, doing a lot of things. My mind. People in this game are, like, so dramatic. There's people, right? They were like, I'm gonna jump off the roof, and then she's like, no, Dad, don't. And I was just like, oh, this is too dramatic. Because she was like my friend. She was my friend of mine I knew. And they were being, like, a bit too dramatic. Like, do you ever get funny when your friends can be too dramatic in something? And then the guy, and then the guy's like, I don't even know who the guy is. Like, when you miss, I just miss, like, his name's Weak Son, not Weak Boy. I thought it was a Weak Boy, but it's Weak Son, Weaky Son. 12, 34, 5. I am there. If you see it, I'm Fluffy Monkey. Someone asked me, "Are you a fluffy monkey?" I was just like, "Yeah," and he was like, "You don't look like one." And I was just like, "Do I have to look like a fluffy monkey?" Because I love monkeys. No, like, I just love monkeys. What's? Oh, the guy's there. Like, so do you have this feeling, like, the people are just like, it's the wrong way, but then I'm just like, I've never delivered pizza, like, actually, now I feel like doing this. So he wants to change. So I do. What? I'd like to have the oil changed. To be fair, no. Yeah, but I did the change the wire. He wants me to paint his red. And I do that done. He would like his red too, because he's the person who's nice. Other people just like, oh, I like red. But who does that? Oh yeah, I feel like it's like done. But I have to sort of end it up. He wants his motorcycle black. I mean, that's like a... Well, I think, like, motorcycles should be black, because they're, like... They look dope. What does he want? Green. I don't mind green, right? I mean, that looks dope, but I don't need a whole thing. Like, black is it's a good colour. It's sort of black. What most people do in this game is like building mode. Like what's the point in this game is like the house to me, and just get the money for it. I don't even know what he did. Got like a stinking place. I'm painting him red. There you go, done. I don't need no more. 106, great. That is nothing to me. 100, like, that is nothing. Like, delivery person, you get like way more money. And that. So that's the guy that I was like literally, I was not stalking him. I would say I was having fun. I'm just gonna just like stick with. I hate when he put those people like the other side of where I am, and then you just have to walk to it. I don't know why this guy just wait, what? Like I feel like just resetting my house. Like, see, this is what I mean. Like, they put me on this guy on the other side. Like, poor him. Like, he's just like, I don't even want pizza. Just like, I'm forced to be here. Hi, I'm doing a YouTube video. I was gonna tell you that. Like, I'm doing a YouTube vid. Say hi. Say hi. So the guy's like, oh hi YouTube, like he's so hyped, and then so the girl's just like, hi YouTube, what's the name of your channel? Let's see. So the fact that you stink so much in this game is like you feel like knocking out someone. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, nice to meet ya. It's just like puffs, bro. They're just like wrong. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.